Hello everyone, my name is Gio Ortega Diaz and we're here for new video for today. This time is about the evidence 2 of physics, so let's get started. I have this accelerometer who is now on the spaghetti noodles. It is here on y-axis, x-axis and z-axis. There are many types of movements of physics like on this because there are many types using physics. There are weight, speed, and also about gravity, all effects. I hope this doesn't break because if it breaks, well, this is pretty much over. The first one is the pretty much basic one. We have the standalone. Like we already know that the end of the spaghetti noodle ends with marshmallows, and there is a little weight and doesn't stay straight because there is weight, then it falls down. And here doesn't fall, it's only staying here because there is nothing to be. If it was like this, of course, it has a little weight on the edge of the spaghetti noodle. So yeah, this is the first one. The standalone only staying on this flat surface, and there is the one basic one. When you move like this, there are three types of movements. The first one is when I am moving with the same side. The only thing I'm going now is this doesn't move a lot because I'm now applying speed on the same direction. Well, here has to be a little bit of movement because I'm doing this, so it has to wiggle something. And then here is this. This is one that wiggles a lot. So yeah, this is because when I'm doing on the same direction, what I'm doing is I am pushing this object and then I'm dragging this spaghetti noodle and then gives that wobbling effect. And there is the one upside and then downside. This doesn't happen a lot because if it depends on how I move with my hand. If I do this very hard, this gives a little more movement than before. But if it's only very slow, it doesn't give a lot. These times we need to remember that it's already the edge of the spaghetti noodles affects a lot of how we see them, about skew, jiggle. Yeah, and then this movement is counterclockwise. So yeah, it's this. So what it happens is that now I'm moving here. Now it goes with the speed, and then the speed all goes right here, and then moves. I say, then well, Guillermo, what then happens next? Well, what happens is that this doesn't happen a lot because I am playing force on here, and then it goes as an object. It's inside of this paper cup. Well, if I do something, especially if I do to concentrate this spaghetti noodle, I do this, then it starts to move. So it all depends where you're moving on the paper towel. If I'm moving here, I don't want to concentrate on this spaghetti noodle. This will move pretty much nothing. But if I do everything to move, everything moves. So it depends where you grab the object. It depends how much weight it is. And then it has the other movement, like it's on here. Then we have now that are these falling down to this side, and then here. So yeah, we can see now that this has a lot of movement than here. But I say why? Well, first of all, this spaghetti noodle is standing up, and also it wants to fall down. Even if I do anything to move, this doesn't move a lot. And this, well, why? Well, because I'm moving up and down, right? But as I already said, it's already in the cup. It's also stand up. If I concentrate, it doesn't happen because when you are more on height, the more moving it is. If you are here on the paper cup, it doesn't do anything. But if you are more on height, it has a lot of movement to be. And then it doesn't happen a lot because it's nothing to show. Well, the last one is when you do on gravity. Then this starts to move like flying, and this starts to fly a lot more to the ground level. So yeah. As a conclusion, this is very interesting because we can see how gravity, speed, and how physics work. Like for example, it was this video when I was in a car and it crashed, but the man who was on the car, he fell down. It doesn't get along with the car. So exactly what happens with this because if it was only an object, but it doesn't stick with the paper cup, it will fall down. But if this object is stick with this, then it's going to be on the same route as the paper cup. Like here's an example. Like example is like this paper cup, and it will fall down because it's not stick with. So it depends a lot of physics, a lot of weight, also about gravity. So yeah, as I said before, my name is Jim Ortega Diaz. This project was recorded by Damian Santana Flores, and thank you for watching. See you next time.